Avoiding the 8 biggest mistakes on your LinkedIn profile. Welcome to Complete Email, where we unravel the mysteries of effective LinkedIn profiles. With LinkedIn membership approaching 1 billion, your profile is your digital business card. Yet, many professionals miss the mark, failing to make a lasting impression. Today, we unveil the 8 biggest LinkedIn profile mistakes and how to sidestep them. Number 1, not including keywords. In your headline is your digital handshake. To ensure visibility, infuse it with relevant keywords. Ask yourself, is this a person I need to know? Let's make your headline work for you. Number 2, an anemic about section. Your about section is prime real estate. Craft a compelling story that captivates readers from the first line. Grab attention, compel clicks, and tell your story effectively. Number 3, ignoring the featured section. Elevate your profile with the featured section. Showcase achievements, passions, and causes to differentiate yourself. Incorporate rich media for added interest. Number 4, not using creator mode. Unlock your profile's potential with creator mode. Choose your top 5 hashtags to reinforce your desired topics. Even if you're not a content creator, activate creator mode for maximum impact. Number 5, keeping the boring LinkedIn issued background. Stand out with a unique, on-brand background. Your background sets the stage for your profile, delivering a relevant first impression. Let's make your profile pop. Number 6, using a photo. That's not a true headshot. Your headshot humanizes your profile. Ensure it's professional, reflective of your personality, and properly cropped. Let your face speak volumes. Number 7, not reordering their skills. Reorder your skills strategically. Showcase your top 3 skills to signal your expertise and relevance. Let's curate your skills for maximum impact. Number 8, using words without rich media. Enhance your profile with rich media. From images to videos, create a captivating experience for your audience. Let's add some dazzle to your profile. Congratulations! You're now equipped to navigate the intricacies of LinkedIn profile perfection. Avoid these 8 pitfalls and watch your profile soar. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks from Complete Email, like share and subscribe for future updates. Until next time, happy networking!